So I gotta show you this awesome jam forever. It's gonna be so good. It is Megalodon! Guess what, guys? We're gonna open it today. And guys, it could go on sand. It could go on sand, rocks, and snow and grass. So let's get this thing open. How about I can dribble it, guys? Okay. Oh yeah, Mommy found the scissors, guys. Look, guys, do you see the sign that says Monster Jam? And look, it says Megalodon. And it comes with a beautiful rope. It could go on sand, rock, and what's that thing again? Oh yeah. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'll be right back, okay guys? Hey guys, we're back. Look guys, look at an awesome monster truck. I can do donuts like this, and then I can do donuts. Look guys, look at the sign that says Megalodon. Okay, now I found it. It's a twister. Screwdriver. Why do screwdrivers work like this? And you can go like, if you want to go like, you can go to right, look now, and you go to right, then the right light comes, and then you go to left, and you want to turn off, it goes like that, and turn off. Okay, so I'm going to put red on, and Megalodon works. Oh, look at that, it works. Now I can go like this.
Oh!
Oh!
What just happened?
That works.
I'm gonna go outside and try it. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's go. Ah!
Watch out, Mommy. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Look, Mommy. It's a donut. Look, Mommy, look.
There's a donut. Oh, snap.
Oh, snap. Shoot me.
Oh. Stop trying to get me. Go that way. See? Go backwards. Go up there, that way. Make it go that way. Go that way. Make it go that way. That way, go. Oh, you don't go that way. It's mud.
The box says it can go in grass.
So what do you think about the toy?
I like it a lot.
You love it?
Yeah,
Super cool. Was it everything you thought it was going to be? Awesome. Would you recommend it?
Wait, it says it can go in snow too.
Well, we don't have any snow.
Oh, you want to do little creatures? I can do this.
Okay. Would you recommend this toy to other kids?
Yeah, I showed this on YouTube and in the video. I can do stuff on the stairs.
Yeah?
Yeah.
On the stairs?
Uh-huh.
Well, we ain't going to put it on the stairs, so
Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah.
Fly.